Magandang hapon, Bagong Pilipinas. Narito ang Police News Express sa oras na ito.
Binigyang linaw ng tagapagsalita ng Police Regional Office 11 ang alegasyon ng mga miyembro ng KOJC na iligal ang operasyong isinasagawa ng kapulisan sa naturang lugar, kabilang ang di umano'y planting of evidence, misconduct at abuse of authority. Anuman ang reklamo laban sa kapulisan ay masusing iimbestigahan ng ahensya at hindi kukonsintihin.
The Philippine National Police takes all allegations of misconduct, including accusations of evidence planting, very seriously. We are committed to upholding the highest standards of integrity and professionalism in our operations. We categorically deny the accusations made by Attorney Harry Roque regarding the planting of evidence in relation to the KOJC premises. The PNP operates under strict adherence to the rule of law and established protocols. Any claims of wrongdoing will be thoroughly investigated in accordance with our internal procedures and relevant legal standards. The PNP assures the public that our actions are conducted with transparency and accountability. We remain dedicated to enforcing the law impartially and will continue to work diligently to maintain public trust and safety.
Para sa iba pang mga napapanahong balitang pampulisya, laging tumutok sa Police News Network, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng balitang pulis.